Can an LLC pay dividends? No. An LLC does not pay dividends in the traditional corporate sense because it does not issue stock. Instead, LLCs distribute profits to their members, and these payments are called distributions rather than dividends. The way profits are divided depends on the LLC's operating agreement and ownership percentages. For example, if two members each own 50% of an LLC and the business earns $100,000 in profit, they can each receive a $50,000 distribution, unless the operating agreement specifies a different split. These distributions are reported on each member's personal tax return, since LLCs are usually taxed as pass-through entities. If an LLC elects to be taxed as a C corporation, then it could technically issue dividends like a corporation. However, most small businesses prefer the simplicity of distributions under the standard LLC structure. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and set up operating agreements that outline profit distributions. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.